What is up guys, TechBullz here, back with another video. Today, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Miband 3. So Miband 3 is basically a fitness tracker at a very cheap price. And this is actually the best fitness tracker at the price. So I've got it through Amazon for only rupees 2000. And I really found this a very great deal. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get to the unboxing of the Xiaomi Miband 3. So here we have the new Miband 3 packaging. So basically what this new Miband packaging is, this orange packaging. Earlier the Miband 3 used to came with packaging like that of the iPhone, and they changed it because the sales were too high and the box was costing too much. So yeah, the Miband 3 ships with this box, and yeah, it's original. So many people have been asking me that this box is fake. No, it's not. So yeah, let's get to the box. So we have Miband 3 written over here in the box, and yeah, it is OLED as it is written here. It is a heart rate monitor and has battery lasting up to 20 days, and it is waterproof up to 50 meters. So high hopes. So here's a sticker on this photo of the watch. I know what for it is. So in the side of the box there is written Bluetooth. So yeah, this has Bluetooth, and of course it must have. So let's come to the back of the box. In the back of the box it's written all the specifications, like the strap length. The strap length is 15.5 to 21.6 centimeters, and the dimensions are given as you can read it. So the box contents are being said. There's one fitness tracker, one wristband, charging cable, and user manual. So the MRP return here is 2200 rupees, but now you can buy it right off Amazon for rupees 2200. So yes, and yeah, it's made in China, definitely. So in the side here we have this Miband 3 text written here. So let's open this. So it's open like this. The packaging, the new packaging is pretty cheap. It's feeling like that. You know, the cheap feeling, like that 400 rupees fake Mibands. Even they have the better box.
So, oh my gosh, what the Eventually.
So we get here a box and the watch.
So the watch fell off because the box wasn't that good.
So yeah, here's the watch. It's in a plastic packing. I'm gonna keep it aside and let's take a look at the box. So this is a simple box. There's a compartment here. In this compartment there's this user manual to how to remove the fitness tracker and all. So let's keep this aside too. And what else do we have in here? Oh my god. So we have the charging cable. There's no adapter, so you can put the adapter by yourself. This is MI banding on that. And there's two pins in there. I guess we have to put the tracker in there, and we can attach this to any one of the adapters you have. So let's come to the watch itself. So there's a watch in the plastic packaging. Let's take it off. So yeah, here's the beautiful watch. Take a look at this. So yeah, here's the watch. In the old packaging, the capsule came in another plastic, and the wristband came separate. But in this box, it came already fitted in there. So yeah, here's the band. Let me focus. Yes, here's the band. The quality feels pretty good. It's silicone, I guess, but yeah, that is pretty good. It feels so thin and so good, like it's very sleek, and the curve edges are really, they look pretty good. So yeah, in the back we have the heart rate sensor, as I mentioned, and the MI branding. So we have this little bump which basically turns the watch on, and here's the 0.47 inch OLED display. And yeah guys, it's touchscreen. So basically we can swipe here, we get the steps, we get the distance, how many calories were burned, and the battery percentage. And we can swipe there, we get the option of more. In more we get the option of stopwatch. Find device we can basically find our phone if it's connected to Bluetooth. And we have the screen. Let's see what's in that. So if we hold the home button for quite a period of time, it opens the menu. So look at this, it gives a little vibration as I open the menu. So let's open the screen option and see what's in that. So we have 3 watch faces. I don't know if any updates are on, but we have 3 watch faces. This one, that one, and that one. Yes. So we have all this more option here: factory reset and about. So if you swipe, you can receive notifications from our device through Bluetooth. I have set it on Instagram notifications, so I can receive my Instagram notifications right on the band. So here's the treadmill mode and this exercise mode. So we can basically start this treadmill and exercise mode whenever we are starting an exercise or stopping it. So yeah, it provides the calories, the heart rate, and the time. It's time too. So here's the heart rate sensor working. I will show you how accurate that is. So we can pause it and close it right there, like that, pressing. It says time is too short to be recorded. So here's the heart rate, and I have to connect to the app to update the weather, so we can see the weather too. So this was the quick unboxing of the Mi Band 3. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna upload a video about the review of this watch and of unboxing of the Mi Band HRX edition. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace out.